Last months were really hard to me. I hadn't energy literally for anything. And I decided to find out what is wrong with me. Wikipedia said that it is sad. Well, not in the meaning I feel sad. A sad like a seasonal affective disorder. What is it? Seasonal affective disorder is a mood disorder subset in which people who have normal mental health throughout most of the year exhibit depressive symptoms at the same time each year, commonly in the winter time, with reduced sunlight. SAD is a common phenomenon in northern parts of the earth. Shorter days seems to be a main trigger for SAD. Reduced sunlight in fall and winter disrupts body's internal clock and circadian rhythm. It appears each year as the seasons change, and it goes away several months later, usually during spring and summer. I'm living in a place where the winter is a real challenge. April is the apogee of winter depression, because everything around is so grey and melting too long. And you are so tired of this winter. You are so tired of the cold, tired of the sun appears closer to the afternoon for over a couple of hours. Well, how appears? Without lamplight it is dark at home. This is actually the reason why my last videos were under the lamp. And spring hasn't come. As Eliot have written, April is the cruelest month. Well, what about the symptoms? The symptoms of winter SAD often include oversleeping and difficulty waking up in the morning, difficulty with concentrating, decreasing working capacity, and a more rapid fatigability, both physical and mental. Winter blues can make you crave sugary foods and carbohydrates, such as cakes, candies, and cookies. Well, I eat a lot of sweets for a whole year. But in the winter, the consumption of sugar is too high, even for me. Coffee is the only thing that allowed me to be awake somehow. Common symptoms include sleeping too much and having little to no energy. You can look a kind of hibernation, have low energy and oversleep. May lose interest in activities you used to enjoy, such as hobbies. Well, I have 5 out of 5, but I'm not going to put up with this. The beginning of April and snow is starting to melt. The best cure for winter depression is the light therapy, so I'm going to work to get some sunlight. On this Autolysis pond, I filmed a Monet tutorial. Today I decided to go to the lake to see swans. This is how it looks in the spring. I can't wait when everything melts. In fact, there should be no ducks. They should fly south in the winter. But people here love to feed them, and they decide to stay. I wanted to meet swans, but here is only pigeons and ducks. I wonder, where did they get born? There are signs everywhere. Please don't feed birds with bread. Well, seems like they also want some carbohydrates. Just look at this. Flowers and ice at the same time. I miss the green so much. Oh, what I found! Dandelions! I decided that I need new emotions and went to a Vietnamese restaurant. I don't even remember when I have eaten pho bo last time. It warms really well. Perfect after cold. The typical picture, fisherman in the spring. By the way, animals also have SAD. Look at this dog. Dogs here are happy about the sun. They are also tired of winter. Just look how they enjoy the warmth and the sun. Winter is a real challenge for skin. Temperature changes, extra cold weather, and drying heating. Lack of sun, lack of vitamins. So I need to freshen up. So what did I buy? Masks, set for face, and sun cream. Let's do unpacking. Let's start from masks. I don't like masks really, too much efforts. Waiting, suffering from wrong size, too dry, too wet. But sometimes they work well. Also I bought Color Skin set for face. I haven't tried it yet, so I can't recommend. Was a good discount, so I decided to try. The maestro of unpacking. The art I didn't comprehend. So what do we have here? Foaming face wash, vitamin C serum. I have never tried. Interesting how it works. Vanilla milk toner and face moisturizer. I hope it will help me, because I'm very angry. I had a normal skin with a little bit of fat skin on T-zone. In winter season, room heating dry skin a little, so I've bought this. My biggest regret ever. CeraVe Hydrating Foaming Oil Cleanser for normal to very dry skin. And I think there is a mistake. From normal to very dry skin. My skin is like a desert after this. So now I really need to do something. I don't know what to do with this. It was expensive enough. It had very good reviews and I bought big size. I spent a half and it is pity to throw away, but impossible to use. So this time I decided to buy a set in small portions. At least it wouldn't be so offensive if it doesn't fit. Sun cream. You may think, what are you talking about? The snow hasn't melted yet. Why do you need a sun cream? The matter is that the weather here is really crazy. It can be +10 at day and -5 at night. I didn't find my previous sun cream, so I bought a new one with maximum level of SPF. This is a real must-have for me, because sun loves me too much. And I have a tradition to burn in the sun in May. That's all that I bought. But what really raises my mood is flowers. In fact, yellow roses are not my favorite. I got them randomly on the street in honor of the holiday. It was so nice. This one looks really good, this nice, and this needs help. I hope they will survive. Smells wonderful. Flowers have made me feel so much better that I had a desire to paint. How I like a new canvas. They are so pleasant to touch. Waited for this moment all winter. All colors and solvent have a very strong smell, and it is a bad idea to paint inside the room. Now it's warm enough to spend time on the balcony. Now I'm feeling great. The treatment went well. Maybe this video will help to someone who, like me, suffers from lack of energy and has a breakdown. And see you in the next video. Bye!